Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to today's class. Yes, today we are going to introduce simple sentences in Igbo. We have been focusing on the basics of Igbo lesson. But today we have to introduce the sentences. Even though we still have a lot of work to do in the basics, we are going to continue with that in the next lesson. But we would want to touch the sentences a bit. These are the simple sentences which we use on daily basis. And we are going to listen carefully to know how to pronounce them and what they mean in English. Let us go, and as usual, we are going to do it together once again. If you have not subscribed to us, if you have been following, please do subscribe, like and share, so that you will always get every bit of our lesson. Let us go. Here we have Kedu ka ị mere? Kedu ka ị mere? Kedu ka ị mere is how are you doing? Kedu ka ị mere? How are you doing? Gịnị ka ị na-eme? Gịnị ka ị na-eme? What are you doing? Gịnị ka ị na-eme? Kedu aha gị? That is, what is your name? Kedu aha gị? What is your name? Gịnị bụ aha gị? Gịnị bụ aha gị? It's also what is your name. Some of these sentences and words may come in different contexts having the same meaning. Gịnị bụ aha gị? It's also what is your name. Isi gịnị? Isi gịnị? What did you say? Isi gịnị? What did you say? Kedu ihe ị kwuru? Kedu ihe ị kwuru? Kedu ihe ị kwuru? This means also, what did you say? Kedu ihe ị na-ekwu? Kedu ihe ị na-ekwu? What are you saying? Kedu ihe ị na-ekwu? What are you saying? Onye ka ị bụ? Who are you? Onye ka ị bụ? Onye ka ị bụ? Who are you? Aha m bụ Chichi. Aha m bụ Chichi. My name is Chichi. Aha m bụ Chichi. My name is Chichi. Anụgo m gị. Anụgo m gị. I've heard you. Anụgo m gị. I have heard you. Ụtụtụ ọma nne m. Ụtụtụ ọma nne m. Good morning, my mother. Ụtụtụ ọma nne m. Good morning, my mother. Bịa ebe a. Bịa ebe a. Come here. Bịa ebe a. Come here. Thank you. This is the end of today's class. I believe that by the time you go through this twice, you will begin to pick the meaning, practice it. If you meet someone that is an Igbo, try to speak some of all these things in order to master them. If you are a mom, if you are a father, if you are an in-law, whoever you are, teaching your children, your wife, your husband, or whoever, try to always repeat, practice it, and then you will begin to see perfection. Try to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you, and bye.